Hey, how's it going, guys? So I am working on my MR2, and today I am doing a headlight restoration. So I've got both of the headlights sanded down. So I wet sanded them with varying grits of sandpaper down to about 1200 grit, the finest grit that I had, and I'm going to be doing a new headlight restoration method that I've never done before, where you use heated acetone vapor. I got this kit, and this is the liquid that I use, and I thought it was just acetone, but I think it's some other things too. It says synthetic resin and methylbenzene. So I don't know, I guess it's not acetone, but it's this weird blue liquid, and it comes with this cup. So you put the blue liquid in the cup, and it just looks kind of like a coffee cup with this spout on it, and it's got a place to plug it in. So you just plug it into a power supply, it heats up the liquid, the vapors come out there, and it melts the plastic on the headlight to make it clear. So I've done a headlight restoration on this thing before, and it was the kind where you get this special buffing compound after you sand it, and it made it look better, but it didn't really look that great. So now we're going to try the vapor method. I'll just call it the vapor method because I don't guess it's acetone, but I guess acetone will probably work. Alright, here's how they turned out. One thing about it is the cap on that tool pops off really easy, and I spilled it all over my paint, and it's not wiping off, so keep that in mind. I want to repaint the front end anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. But it doesn't look perfect, but it's a lot cheaper than new headlights. But overall, I'm happy with it. I would use that kit again. Worked a lot better than buffing the headlights. That's it.